namin sa Verde Creatives, bilang transgender po ang nauna, bilang isang public relations hub, katungkulan ko din po na magbahagi pabalik sa aking komunidad para nang sa ganoon, makatulong din naman po kami for equal rights. Last year, we did the Queen of Baguio, 2024, in our aspiration for visibility for transgender Filipinas. Then naiiwan ko talaga yung transgender. While lesbian and gays are moving and bisexual, napag-iwanan din po ang transgender community. We have a long battle ahead. That's why, inuuna kahit papaano, yun yung taktika ng Verde Creatives. And in Verde Creatives for this photo campaign, we have 31 individuals who have joined, 26 LGBT individuals are out and proud, and 5 straight allies have joined us. Beyond that, we were supported by a long-time ally, Senator Lauren Legarda. She will come up with a solidarity message soon. And of course, a very symbolic advocate inside Congress, Representative Geraldine Roman. She is also supporting us. Another supporter, Representative Lenlen Alonte, a three-term congresswoman. We also have a personal friend, a former executive director, si Attorney Robert Page, is supporting us. Kaya yung parte ko dito we're revealing, mamaya unveiling because they are the group of the LTFRB, government employees of the LGBT association that we've created. The first in the transport sector of the DOTR na nakabuo po ng asosasyon ng LGBT. Yes, that's why they're joining us to make it a powerful force yung ating Pride Photo Campaign. And then, we're supported, of course, this coffee house. I told them Miss Barbie kanina, owned by my lesbian friends, they're couples, yung Dark Rose Coffee House, always. Yung binakila, saka yung crown, di ba? The diving gear, they're all self-built, and Intermatrix next, no? For the printed photos for our installation. Please welcome Ms. Vashti Ortega.
Thank you everyone for being here today, and I'm really very excited and very proud because of the Equality Champions campaign that we know that showcases diversity and the movement in itself, right? And how we can leverage this imagery to the Congress. And I think we really are excited that Ms. Bevs is doing this for us because she's also a trans Pinay, and she has been in the movement for so long. And malawak na ang kanyang lived experience. So we really trust in her creativity in pushing this advocacy forward. And I'm really super excited to share that we just launched our legal gender recognition bill. So meron po kaming bill na i-endorse din sa Kongreso, sa legislative. And through this Equality Champions campaign, we are also giving faces to more rights that we need to claim. Because what we're seeing is that we cannot just move, we know we're stuck with the anti-discrimination bill, but it should not stop us there, right? We need more rights because sabi nga nila, di ba, we're human beings in dignity and in rights, dapat protected tayo ng ating gobyerno. And it is their obligation to fulfill these rights, and the government should be able, and through us, right, through the movement, through the groundswell of the trans feminist movement, ay mabuo natin ito. Isa doon ay itong super exciting and creative campaign that we're doing, and a lot of the strap girls, trans Pinay leaders are in this in this campaign. So thank you so much.
Person, my party, ang Ladlad party, Mr. Dexter Macau.
Ladlad proudly presents a collection of powerful images from our recent photo shoot, a visual testament to the vibrant diversity and resilience of the LGBT community. Equality champions, magandang laban. These images do not merely capture four faces. Ito ay may kwento ng stories of strength, identity, at patanggap kung sino ka, kung ano ka. Bawat larawan ay may kwento ng sariling katangian, nagpapakita ng ganda at pagkakaiba. We extend our deepest gratitude to Very Creative, Ms. Beth Benedito, our Ladlad's former chairperson and two-time nominees for the Ladlad, for visionary partnership and impactful initiative. Ang kanilang pangako ay palalakasin ang boses ng LGBT sa pamagitan ng malikhaing pagpapahayag na may pag-ibig at pagtanggap sa aming hanay. Ito ay nagpapatunay na may potensyal na dulot ng pagbabago, magpalaganap at malasakit ng LGBT na magtutulay sa atin sa ibang sektor. The collaboration with Very Creatives and Ladlad, Strap, and One LGBT Pilipinas, by showcasing these powerful photos, we are not only affirming our own identities, but also inspiring others to find strength in their truths. They remind us that we are not alone in our struggles and that together we can foster a more inclusive and accepting society. Bawat larawan ay simbolo ng pagkakaisa at kolektibong lakas ng bawat isa. Ang Ladlad ay ang natatanging partidong politikal sa bansa na itinatag noong September 3, 2003 ni Professor Danton Remoto. Sinabi kong nag-iisang partidong politikal dahil wala pa naman nag-a-attempt na ibang LGBT organization na sumubok sa politika. Once again, thank you Very Creative to Ms. Beth Benedito, Ms. Barbie Alcache, and Ms. Vashti Ortega, and one LGBT Pilipinas.
It is my distinct honor and privilege, the beauty empress of the LGBT community at ang pambansang leader ng One LGBT Pilipinas Incorporated at tagapayo po ng Philippine Financial and Inter-Industry Pride or PFID Council. Buong kalangkong pagmamalaki na pinapakilala, Binibining Maria Barbie Ann Arcache.
Oh my God, how can I top that introduction? Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon to everybody. First of all, I would like to congratulate our dear Bianx Benedito of Very Creatives for this wonderful photo unveiling of the Equality Champions Magandang Laban. It's something really, really amazing. Of course, for my co-panelists here as well, Vashti Ortega, how are you? She looks very beautiful. Of course, we were just in Baguio a few days ago as we were part of the Equality Expo of Baguio City. And of course, the head, a good friend of mine, Dexter Macaldo. Maraming salamat as well for this wonderful invitation. I've known them for a while. Dems and Dexter, I've known them for, how should we say it, decades. Decades already, right?
First member of Ladlad.
Yes, I was one of the original and first members of the Ladlad party list that time. As you see, in my life, I thought being an LGBT is as simple as doing pageants. Competing in different provinces around the Philippines from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Oh, just to interject, I was also a member of the STRA. The Society of Transgender Women. One of the original members as well. So as I was growing in our community, the LGBT, ang akala ko ang pagiging parte ng LGBT ay parang pagpapaganda lamang. Magpa-cute, mag-pageant, tumampas sa entablado, magpakita sa mga tao na maganda rin kami at kaya namin sumabay sa mga babae sa entablado ng Binibining Pilipinas. But there's more to that. There's more to just showing to people that it's not all about the physical beauty that matters, but how can you share that beauty that you have within your heart? I mean, some people will just have to say na, oh, she's just being ambitious. But what is my purpose in life? I have competed for more than 2.5 decades in pageantry. 25 taon ng pagpapageant sa buong Pilipinas, mula Luzon, Visayas, hanggang Mindanao. Now that I am sort of called retired, what's next? And I want to share that advocacy to everybody, that after that you have shined, or you've shown your best in a certain field, what's next for all of us? Maybe you've become a great business manager or a great business owner, but after that, what's next? Are we going to be stagnant? We cannot be stagnant. Because once that you become stagnant, you just become matter. And matter only occupies space. And we don't need to just occupy space. We need to fill the space and find your purpose in this world. That's why right now, I think I have found my purpose. To show to everybody that we, the LGBTQIA+ community, is not just matter. We are here to move and shape the world, to show to them that we are, of course, needing of human rights. Not special rights, simple as human rights. So, as Bear the Creatives invited me to be part of this campaign of the Equality Champions Magandang Laban, who am I to say no? It's about time to show our faces. At hindi ko itinahiya ang face na to. Because I spent a lot for this. No, just kidding. Kidding aside, I'm proud to say, to be part of this campaign is something groundbreaking. Kasi hindi lahat gusto nilang pakita pagmumukha nila sa mga pictures at pakita sa kanila na pati kami ng LGBT community. Some people frown to be part of the community and are embarrassed. But we, everybody part of this campaign is proud, loud, and should show to the world that we are humans and simply masterpieces of God. So, ladies and gentlemen, no further ado, thank you so much. The head of Verde Creatives, thank you so much, Benz Benedito, for making this happen. To unifying different people from different fields of the LGBT community, from STRAP, from the Ledlad Party List, One LGBT Filipinas, Chikadora Go, our founding chairman, and the PFIP, Philippine Financial and Industries Pride. This is an organization that handles the LGBTQIA+ community in the workplace. It is something groundbreaking to have you, our patroness of the LGBT. A big round of applause again once more for Ms. Benz Benedito.
By the way, bakit nga ba from Dennis to Chiki to Chikadora Go? Yung nagbigay kasi ng screening ko on television, si Mother Ricky Reyes. So then, syempre naging segment host niya ako sa kanyang show. So doon na nag-start. And then, paano to? Message for everyone?
Yes,
O pwede ba
message.
Well, this Pride Month, masyadong nakita ko, masyadong gusto yatang i-highlights ngayon sa TV is yung mga trans Pinay. Diba? Hindi walang masama doon. Lahat yun pwede namang gawin. Diba? Pwede nating sabihin na you call a girl, you're a boy, and anything. But, naiiba kasi yung platform ng One LGBT Pilipinas National. Kami kasi yung hindi namin iniiwan yung kultura ng Pilipinas na meron tayo. At alam naman natin na pag sinampal natin sa mundong to, no choice tayo kung dibinyagan sa isang religion na kahit wala tayong freedom mamili. Then, syempre, sanggol pa tayo. Di ba? So, One LGBT Pilipinas, kaya nga change namin yung mukha at name from L is become love, G is become to giving, B is become to benevolent, and D to trustworthy. Why? Iisipin pa rin natin na nasa bansa tayo ng Pilipinas. Bakit ang tagal bang umusag ng SOGI bill? Well, ito yung call, no, for everybody. Tanongin din natin yung mga sarili natin kasi baka nagiging over din tayo sa masyado nating hinihingi. Kung kailangan ilabi, buksan ulit bago uli i-refine, gawin natin. Total, LGBT tayo. Kaya nating mag-adjust. Like kagabi, nung pauwi kami, ang nakuha namin Grab is Christian. Sabi niya paano na yung different ng trans and anything. So, ipinaliwanag ko lang sa kanya kasi kailangan mong isimple yung pagpapaliwanag. Kuya, sabi ko, Grab driver ka. Tama? Nag-drive ka, kaya mong i-drive yan. Tapos, may isang person na siya ay nagsasalon. Choice naman niya kung gusto niya magsalon. So, gano'n lang kasimple. Choice to in everything. And, we're promoting then, so One LGBT Pilipinas is equality, inclusivity, equals respect. Simulan muna natin doon sa respeto. Kaya kung bakit sa amin yung mga pumasok na hindi lang allies, isa part of the advocate, Alpha Kappa Rho, Tau Gamma, pumasok sa amin, mga straight sila, kasi pinakita muna namin yung mga programs, yung mga ginagawa, yung pagtulong sa community. Di ba? Yung pagiging isang advocate, doon mo na rin muli natin ipattern. Malay natin, darating yung time, yung straight na mismo ang makikibaka at makikipaglaban para sa SOGB. Kasi naintindihan na nila tayo. Di ba? At naintindihan na rin natin sila. Hindi mang ganun kadali, hindi mang ganun kabilis. Kasi alam ko naman, pag hindi kayo nagkaintindihan ngayon, pwede pa naman bukas. Pwede pa naman sa susunod. Sa lahat po ng LGBT and allies, sa lahat po tayo ay tao. Lahat po tayo ay libreng humihinga sa mundo. Simulan lang po natin sa sarili natin ang salitang respeto at ibigay din natin sa ating kapwa ang salitang respeto. Doon at doon lang din po tayo maglimit sa dulo. Kung isa kang trans-Pinay, respetuhin mo bilang trans-Pinay ang sarili mo. Kung isa kang bisexual, respetuhin mo. Huwag ka kagad maghingi ng isang authority. Dahil ang authority ibinibigay yun dahil nagsisimula yan sa respeto. That's why, kung bakit ang mukha ng One LGBT Pilipinas is si Miss Barbie Ann Arcache, kasi siya ang lumaban, bumaba, sumuyod sa lahat ng beauty pageant, bumaba sa isang grassroots level na dapat hindi niya na-level. Pero bumaba siya. Bakit? Kasi baka sa sobrang paggagawa natin ng mga programang Pride, baka elite lang ang market natin. Paano naman kami sa grassroots? Paano naman yung mga nakatira sa mga rural? Baka hindi namin maintindihan to. Ang alam lang namin, bakla kami at tomboy kami. Di ba? Bakit hindi tayo mag-dive para masama natin yung kahit nasa kaduluduluan ng Pilipinas? At baka tayo rin ang way para kahit ang isang magsasakang straight ay umamin na siya ay bakla. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.